bàjẹ́ wọ́n jẹ́ nà wọ́n gbé lọ ẹ tètè bá a sọ fún wọn.
gbàdá tó wà ń gbà ẹ láti dá méjì náà.
kán dá ọmọ wa padà tí wọ́n bá dá ọmọ wa padà ẹni sójà tá a bá ti rí ọmọ wa dáná sun ni o ẹ tètè bá a sọ fún wọn o ọmọlúwàbí náà wà Yorùbá o àfẹ́ wà lá o tó tètè bá a dá ọmọ wa padà tí wọ́n bá ti dá padà ẹni sójà tá a bá ti rí a máa pa wọn pakúpa ni o.
Yes, so ó ti wá dójú ẹ̀ báyìí o ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá ṣẹ́yìn náà ń rí bó ṣe ń lọ báyìí ṣẹ́yìn náà ń rí tá a bá ń sọ pé Yorùbá nation no going back àwọn kan máa ní pé ẹ wò ẹ jẹ́ ká fi Yorùbá nation lẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká follow èmi ló kàn ṣó ti wá yé gbogbo yín báyìí. All right, my people, this is another one reaching us right now onto this channel. Well, thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Our prayer has been that the good Lord will continue to support you all in all your endeavors. We say a very big amen to that. Well, my people, this one is another one reaching us right now. You heard that voice for yourself. And then as it stands right now, it had been gathered that some uniformed men, in fact, in Nigerian soldier uniform, because me right now, I will have to let everyone understand that those people who actually came there in uniform, like they dressed in Nigerian soldier uniform. I don't care either they are from the federal government or they are the Fulani soldiers. We've known what is going on already. They are one. They are the same thing. Yes, and as it stands right now, these young men, you can see it's late night that this happened, and it's from the scene that will capture all these pictures you are seeing right now. Okay, now these young men are the Yoruba nation agitators. No, this time around, this is the time you have meetings section by sections as far as Yoruba nation movement is concerned, and we already know that the mega rally is supposed to have been held, but it's because of all this kind of a thing. That's why the Yoruba nation agitators are strategizing the best time, as in the best moment to choose a better date for the mega rally. And a lot of these young men, everywhere you can see them on the bike, what they're actually doing right now, if I tell you what they are after the Nigerian soldiers that I would like to say they kidnapped. Yes, I think it's a kidnapped case right now, that kidnapped one of the Yoruba nation agitators where they were having a meeting. And according to what is going on, this one happened in Lagos around in Agege. Yes, and with what had been gathered, that after they had a very long meeting, and they had to relax till late anyway, and then some of them had even gone, and then before you knew it, the Nigerian soldiers came in. They started attacking these people to the extent even the Yoruba nation agitators tried to defend themselves, and a lot of things both happened. And then at the end of it all, the so-called Nigerian soldier, according to the explanation this Yoruba nation agitator gave us, that the so-called soldiers, they were in uniform and they kidnapped one of the Yoruba nation agitator members. Right now, the people are the vehicle they came in was written, inscripted, Agor soldiers. Yes, it was written, inscripted Agor. Yes, that's what was written by the vehicle. And according to them, they said they were in Agege where they had the meeting. And then according to another thing that actually happened, we have said this before now, the Fulanis, one of their, what's it called, information, when they were having their meeting, it leaked that one of the Fulanis was they will have to call Abuja to send them some soldiers. I don't know, anybody must have heard that leaked audio where Fulani were having meeting. They said that okay, it will get to a point they will call at the top, they will call Abuja to send them some soldiers from Abuja that will come to assist them. And meanwhile, that when they are calling Abuja should give them Fulani soldiers, not this Yoruba or Igbo soldiers, because it's the Fulani soldier that will be able to do the job. And then right now, we don't need the soldier to tell us that the Fulani soldiers have now resumed. And then right now, they came in, I don't know who gave them that information that the Yoruba nation agitator were having a meeting. And he said at the end of it all, they checked them, not that they were holding any, they caught them with any exhibit and all that. Well, what actually happened right now is that the soldiers have kidnapped one of the Yoruba Nation member, and exactly what is going on right now. And the Yoruba Nation agitator have made it clear that at the night right now they had to come back. Some of them that had left, they had to come back to the scene to like what happened. Okay, they have to look for these soldiers that kidnapped one of them, because we'll call it kidnapped because the people said they have gone to the nearest police station, and according to the police, no case was reported. And then right now the people have resorted in the search of their member, because right now the name of the member is Adewunmi, according to what had been given to us. And right now we don't even need a Søldîer to tell us that this set of people are the Fulani soldiers that they have been talking about, because we see no reason why innocent souls will be having meeting, because you know that they are Yoruba Nation agitators. The next thing, you invaded and then left with one. If I thought there is another case, at least the police should have been involved, not even soldiers this time around. And like what I used to tell people, say all these people you are calling soldiers, most of them are the Fulani people that they just got the uniform, in fact disguised in soldier uniform. But the truth of the matter right now is that this set of people are not the normal regular soldiers, but they are the Fulani soldiers, because we know everything that is going on. That is why everybody needs to wake up. Okay, look at what is happening right now. The Yoruba agitators have declared it that they must return their men, or else you heard everything for yourselves. And then right now, what exactly are we trying to see? What exactly is going on right now? This is to tell you that there is war already in the country. War had just started in the country. Now they are looking for a way to destroy everything. And in case you don't understand, okay, let's take a look at what the information that had been exposed before now, that the Fulani people are like, they are waiting for the day of the mega rally. That's where they want to strike. That the Yoruba people should not get it twisted. That if you know that you are not strong enough, don't come out on that rally day. And now they have seen it out. It's like these people are strategizing on this mega rally. What is actually holding them? Because they are fully ready themselves. The Fulani people are ready themselves. No, right now the another package, the another strategies I believe they want to use right now is that they want to be visiting each zone where the Yoruba Nation people are having their meetings, so that they would just cause trouble. They will go with one of them, and then at the end of it all, let these people strike. And then exactly what is actually going on, and exactly what is going to happen at the end of it. That is why, as far as this movement is concerned, I think Yoruba Nation movement agitation needs to be declared as far as possible. Thank God a lot of the majority of the international community are actually in support of this movement, but I don't actually know what is actually still delaying the declaration. But the level to which it has gotten to right now is nothing to write home about, because the people cannot be suffering on a daily basis. Why would people be having a free and a fair meeting? The next thing, you invaded them, not that you caught them within their hem or anything. And according to another thing that was gathered, it was gathered that this set of soldiers came in NDLA uniform, and some of them wore custom uniform to where they were having meeting. Onto what? So that what will happen? And now you left with these people without involving the police, so that at least you'll be able to tell the police that this is exactly what made us to arrest them. Well, my people, the truth of the matter right now is that everybody needs to be ready. Everybody needs to wake up, because right now this set of people are ready to destroy everything. Yes, they have said it before that the election is very close, and then they are looking for every means to cause trouble in the land. And this one is actually happening in Lagos. Now they want to put trouble, they want to cause mayhem in Lagos State right now. The people of Lagos who have been saying that it will not get to us with time we are free. Right now they are not trying to tell you that Lagos that is so big, we are going to start from there. And exactly what we are seeing right now, because right now we don't see any situation that will warrant the soldiers to invade the meeting of the Yoruba Nation agitators and then left with one of them. In fact, we will say kidnap kidnapped one of them. That's exactly what the case is all about right now. And then meanwhile, it had been gathered that these people, after they had a long meeting, some of them had even gone home. They've gone home. The few of them that were just relaxing, that took after some time they will go home. Those were the people that these soldiers came to attack, and then they kidnapped one of them. Well, and then if you know, hear very well, listen very well from the audio from the beginning, you will hear that these Yoruba Nation agitators have made it clear that they will not relent on this, and then they have to keep looking until they get the people. And then a day ultimatum had been given already, in case you don't know, and then I think that time has started now. Yes, this man had to be released. Well, either you are a soldier or a Fulani soldier, whatever the case may be right now, the fact now remains that the Yoruba Nation agitators are not going to relent again. This set of people are no longer cowards. Yes, we all know our rights, and then you people must release that man, namely Adewunmi. And then according to what is going on right now, we are not going to relent on this matter until we get to the root of this matter. Well, Yoruba Nation not going back, and exactly what it is. Well, if you are still that person that is still saying one Nigeria, now I think your eye go declare small now, because right now this set of people have said it that from October they want to start striking, and we are seeing signs already. So what are we talking about? Well, my people, everybody needs to do the needful. Yoruba Nation no going back, and exactly what it is. All right, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.